Relentless wave of bombings and gun assaults aimed at residences and establishments persist unabated in Manipur. A recent incident unfolded at the headquarters of the Sinai Institute of Medical Sciences, SIMS, Porompat, Imphal East, where an explosive device was candidly planted. This event transpired within the jurisdiction of the Porompat police station. According to reports received by SKTV News, the explosive was discreetly concealed within a plastic bag and positioned on the reception table around 10:30 a.m. today. Quick action from SIM staff led to the timely alerting of the Porompat police, who safely neutralized the device. It's noteworthy that the institute had recently been subjected to extortion demands from anonymous entities. The motive behind this bomb threat remains undetermined at this juncture.